Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics, exercise 7D for New Secondary Mathematics Book 1, APSACS Students Class 6, and exercise 9D for New Syllabus Mathematics D1 for A-Level, O-Level students. And question number 9 is, a car travels the first 50 km of its journey at an average speed of 25 meter per second, and the next 120 km at an average speed of 80 km per hour. The car completes the last part of its journey at an average speed of 90 km per hour in 35 minutes. Find the average speed for its entire journey, giving your answer in kilometer per hour. Students, there are three parts of the journey. In first part, the car travels a distance of 50 km at the average speed of 25 meter per second, then 90 kilometers at an average speed, not 90 kilometer, 120 kilometer, 120 kilometer at an average speed of 80 kilometer per hour. And the last part of the journey, the car completes its journey with an average speed of 90 kilometer per hour in 35 minutes, and the time is 35 minutes. We have to find the total average speed for the entire journey. Now students, try to understand what the question is. In the first part, from this point to this point, the distance is 50 km and the average speed is 25 meter per second. Students, we will find the time taken for this part of the journey. Then from this point to this point, distance is 120 km and average speed is 80 km per hour. Again, we will find the time taken from this point to this point. And the last part of the journey, time is given, that is 35 minutes. And average speed is 90 km per hour, and we will find distance from this point to this point, and then all the three distance will be summed up, as well as all the three times. This time is given, we will find the time from here as well as from here, and then we will sum up the time as well as we will sum up the distance, and then total distance will be divided by the time taken, and that will be the average speed from this point to end point. And it is we have to find. So this question will be solved in four parts. In first part, we will find the time, then again time, then distance, and then we sum up whole distance and whole time, and at the end we will find average speed. And all these things will be explained in the last part of this video in Urdu as well. So keep watching, and at the end I will explain complete question in Urdu as well. So students, in first part I will write distance is given, that is 50 km. Average speed is also given, that is 25 meter per second. Students, we will convert this speed that is given in meter per second, we will convert this speed into kilometer per hour, and you know that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer, so we will divide 25 with 1000 and multiply it with 3600 to convert seconds into hours. So you should keep in mind that it is written as 25 over 1000 multiply by 3600, and now the unit is kilometer per hour, and last two zeros will be cancelled with last two zeros, and 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, and 18 5s are 90 kilometer per hour is the speed. And now we will find the time taken from this point to this point, and the formula is speed is equal to distance over time, and time we have to find, and speed is given 90 kilometer per hour. I need not write the unit because both the units are same. Time is multiplying when I transfer it to time is dividing on right side. When I transfer it to other side, it will multiply by time, and distance, that is 50 kilometer. And students, 90 is multiplying when I transfer it to other side, it will divide. So time is equal to 50 over 90 hours. And students, last 0 will be cancelled with last 0, and time is 5 over 9 hours for first part. For second part, again I will apply the same formula to find the time, and for finding out time, that will be equal to distance over average speed. So you can use the same formula, speed is equal to distance over time, and speed is 80 kilometer per hour. Time we have to find, so it will be transferred to other side, and distance is 120, and 80 is multiplying when I transfer it to the side, it will divide. So time will be 120 over 80. Last 0 will be cancelled with last 0, and 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So time is 3 over 2 hours. And students, for last part of the question, we will find the distance from this point to this point, and I am going to raise this side. And students, in third part, speed is given, that is 90 kilometer per hour. Time is also given, that is in minutes, 35 minutes. So I will convert 35 minutes into hour, and it is divided by 60. Now the minutes are converted into hours, and 5 7s are 35 and 5 12s are 60. So time is 7 over 12 hours. And students, we have to find the distance. Again we will apply the same formula, speed is equal to distance over time, and speed is given, that is 90 kilometer per hour, and time is given, time we have find it out, that is 7 over 12, and it is dividing on left side, right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will multiply and written as 7 over 12 is equal to distance. Now students, 12 and 90 can be cancelled with the table of 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 45s are 90, and 3 2s are 6, and 3 15s are 45. And students, now the distance will be 15 multiplied by 7, and it is 105 over 2, and distance is 52.5 kilometer. Now students, at the end we will find the total distance, and total distance will be 50 kilometer plus 120 kilometer plus 52.5 kilometer, this distance. So at the end we will find the total distance. Total distance that is 50 plus 120 plus 52.5 kilometer 5.2, 5 plus 2 7 plus 5 12 and 1 carry, and total distance is 222.5 kilometer. And students, total time, that is first time that we have found it is 5/9 plus second time from this point to this point is 3/2 and the last time is 35 minutes, that is converted into hour, and that is 7/12 and it is hour. Now students, we will sum up the time and LCM will be taken. The LCM will be 36 will be the LCM, and you can find the LCM as well, 9, 2 and 12. So with the table of 2 we will can divide, 9 cannot be divided by 2, so it is written as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, again with 2, 9 as it is, 1 as it is, and 3 2 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 1 and 1 and again 3 1s are 3, 1 and 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 and 18 2s are 36. So the LCM is 36. Now 36 will be divided by 9 and we will have 4. 4 multiplied by 5 mean 20 plus, again students, 36 will be divided by 2 and we will have 18. 18 multiplied by 3 mean 54 plus 36 divided by 12 mean 3 and 3 7s are 21 hours, and time is 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 mean 9, 95/36 hour is the total time. And now we have to find the speed, and again the formula of speed will be used, and speed is equal to distance over time. And students, distance, total distance is 222.5 kilometer divided by 95/36 hours. Students, look at this part of the question. There is denominator and denominator, so 36 will become numerator and speed will become kilometer per hour, and for minimizing this point we will divide it with 100, and it is written as 2225 multiplied by 36 over 95 multiplied by 10, and the unit is kilometer per hour. Students, here you can use the calculator as well if you want, and you can cancellation it by the same table. It is totally up to you. So students, I will cancel it with the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 4 carry, and 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. And students, again it is cancelled with the table of 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40 and 4 carry, and 5 9s are 45, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. And students, at the end I will multiply 89 with 18 and it is divided by 19 kilometer per hour. Here students, you can use calculator and your answer will be, now you can use the calculator to find the answer, and that will be the speed. Now students, I am going to solve this question in, I am going to explain this question in Urdu. Students, इस question के 3 parts हैं. First part में, so students, in first part distance is given, that is 50 kilometer, और students average speed given है जो 25 मीटर पर सेकंड है. ये दोनों क्वांटिटीज को यूज करते हुए हम टाइम टेकन फाइंड करेंगे. पॉइंट ए से लेकर पॉइंट बी तक का टाइम क्या है, और ये बच्चों जब हमने फाइंड किया तो वो टाइम जो भी आएगा वो हम लिख लेंगे और वो होगा 5/9। अब जो पॉइंट बी से लेकर पॉइंट सी तक की हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये डिस्टेंस है 120 किलोमीटर और एवरेज स्पीड है 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर। इन दोनों क्वांटिटीज को भी यूज करते हुए बच्चों हम टाइम फाइंड करेंगे और वो टाइम आएगा 3/2 आवर्स। यहाँ पर एक चीज फर्स्ट पार्ट में आपको बताता चलूं कि डिस्टेंस हमें किलोमीटर में गिवन है, जबकि एवरेज स्पीड मीटर पर सेकंड में है, तो हम इस 25 मीटर पर सेकंड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और मीटर पर सेकंड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए बच्चों हम 3600 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो मीटर पर सेकंड किलोमीटर पर आवर में कन्वर्ट होगा। फिर हम इसको डिस्टेंस को वो स्पीड का फार्मूला अप्लाई करते हुए हम इसमें टाइम टेकन फाइंड कर लेंगे। जो लास्ट पार्ट है बच्चों अब सी से लेकर डी तक, इसमें उसने हमें एवरेज स्पीड दी हुई है 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर और टाइम दिया हुआ है कि ये डिस्टेंस उसने कितने टाइम में कवर किया है। इस टाइम को जो मिनट में है हम आर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और जब इस टाइम को जो मिनट में है आर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो वो 7/12 आर आएगा। और इस क्वांटिटीज को दोनों को यूज करते हुए बच्चों हम इसका डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे और इसका डिस्टेंस आएगा 52.5 किलोमीटर। फिर हम इन तीनों डिस्टेंस को यानी कि ये 50 किलोमीटर 120 किलोमीटर और ये जो डिस्टेंस है यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक जो हमने फाइंड किया था 52.5 किलोमीटर, इसको बच्चों हम प्लस करके ये हमारे पास टोटल डिस्टेंस आ जाएगा। और ये टाइम्स हम ए से बी तक का हमने टाइम फाइंड किया था 5/9 आवर्स थे। बी से सी तक जो टाइम कंज्यूम हुआ था वो 3/2 आवर्स थे और ये टाइम ऑलरेडी गिवन था, मिनट्स में था। जब हमने इसको आर में कन्वर्ट किया तो 35 मिनट को जब हम 35 को 60 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो बच्चों ये आर में आ जाएगा और ये तीनों हम टाइम को भी प्लस कर लेंगे और डिस्टेंस को भी प्लस करके एंड पर इसका फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे डिस्टेंस ओवर टाइम और एंड पर हमारे पास ये क्वांटिटीज आएंगी। जब बच्चों हम 89 और 18 को मल्टीप्लाई करके 19 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा कैलकुलेटर से आंसर आ जाएगा। अगर आप इसको करना भी चाहते हैं तो वो भी मैं इधर सॉल्व कर देता हूँ, लेकिन वो बस कंजम्पशन ऑफ टाइम ही है। आप कैलकुलेटर यूज कर लें, 84 पॉइंट समथिंग इसका आंसर आ जाएगा और वो इसकी एवरेज स्पीड होगी पॉइंट ए से लेकर पॉइंट डी तक। तो ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 एक्सरसाइज 7D और 9D का। एंड इट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे। May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.